Welcome to the Riviera del Conero, a stunning stretch of coastline in the Marche region of Italy, where dramatic cliffs plunge into the sparkling Adriatic Sea, and scenic villages cling to hillsides overlooking turquoise bays. Whether you're seeking tranquil beaches, forested hills, or authentic Italian culture, this place offers it all. Join me on a journey across 20 kilometers of coastline, uncovering nature, history, food, and local life. Let's begin at the very heart of the region and understand what makes this destination so special.
The Riviera del Conero is anchored by the imposing Monte Conero promontory, which rises from the Adriatic and forms a dramatic contrast with Italy's otherwise gentler coastline. The coastline extends from the port of Ancona down to the seaside town of Numana and beyond to Marseille and Porto Recanati. The land is rugged and wild, steep slopes, evergreen Mediterranean vegetation, vineyards, and olive groves. The geological variety and the scenic interplay of sea and rock create a uniquely beautiful landscape.
Much of this area is protected within the Conero Regional Park, safeguarding biodiversity, coastal ecosystems, and the forested slopes. Walking trails wind through fragrant undergrowth of mastic, juniper, wild pistachio, and strawberry trees. The park is a haven for nature lovers, offering dramatic viewpoints and hidden beaches reached only by foot or by boat.
Ancona marks the northern gateway to the Riviera del Conero. From its harbor, the view toward Monte Conero reveals the sudden rise of the limestone cliffs that give this coast its unique profile. Nearby, the Pisetto viewpoint offers breathtaking panoramas of the Adriatic, where the blue sea meets the white rocks below.
Continuing from the port of Ancona inland, you pass along Corso Garibaldi and through Piazza Cavour, following Viale della Vittoria until you reach the monument to the fallen and the Pisetto area overlooking the sea. This is one of the city's most beloved spots, known for its fishermen's caves carved into the rock and the long stairways descending to the beach. From the Pisetto, you can watch the sunrise over the sea, while from Cal Guasco, above the port and home to the Cathedral of San Ciriaco, you can see the sunset over the sea toward Falconera, a rare phenomenon on the Adriatic coast.
From here, the Riviera del Conero begins its journey southward. Moving south, Mezzaval is a quiet cove accessible only by footpath through the park. Its unspoiled character, green slopes, and pebbled shore make it a perfect retreat for those seeking solitude. The sound of the waves on the pebbles and the vastness of the sea create a sense of peace and detachment from the world above.
Further along the coast lies Portonovo, a picturesque bay with almost no houses, preserving a sense of natural tranquility. Visitors can explore the reconstructed Napoleonic fort, the small Romanesque church of Santa Maria di Portonovo, and several peaceful beaches. The combination of historical landmarks, clear blue water, and the surrounding woodland makes this place one of the jewels of the Conero coast.
South of Portonovo lies Gabbiani Beach, once reachable only by small boats. This secluded spot was known for its white pebbles and clear waters, but is now closed due to landslides, which have made the area unsafe. Its memory remains part of the Riviera's legend of hidden coves and untouched nature.
Just beyond is the famous Spiaggia delle Sorelle, named after the twin rock stacks rising majestically from the sea. Ferries run daily during summer from Numana and Portonovo to this pristine beach. The white pebbles reflect the sunlight, giving the water its dazzling turquoise color, a natural wonder that has become the symbol of the Riviera del Conero.
The village of Sirolo stands proudly above the cliffs, overlooking several of the coast's most beautiful beaches. Spiaggia Urbani lies just below the town, embraced by cliffs and perfect for swimming. Further north, the wilder Sassi Neri Beach offers a more natural experience, surrounded by rocks and Mediterranean vegetation. Trails connect these coves, providing panoramic walks with unforgettable sea views.
Numana continues the charm with its blend of nature and tradition. The Spiaggia, just north of the small harbor, is a quiet bay with calm, clear water. Nearby, Spiaggia del Freight lies under the cliffs, offering a more secluded setting. Both are easily reachable from town and surrounded by scenic viewpoints where the sea glimmers under the sun.
Further south lies Marseille, a seaside hamlet with a long, flat shoreline of small pebbles and coarse sand. Here, the sea that deepens quickly, unlike the shallow beaches of Rimini or Senigallia. From the shore, visitors can admire the entire Conero promontory to the north, an unforgettable sight at sunrise.
Beyond Marcelli, the coast flattens toward Porto Recanati, a lively seaside town marking the southern end of the Riviera del Conero. Just inland rises Recanati, perched on its hill. It is famous as the birthplace of poet Giacomo Leopardi and tenor Beniamino Gigli, both symbols of Italian art and culture. From the Hill of the Infinity, visitors can gaze across the valley toward the Adriatic, where poetry and landscape meet.
One of the joys of this region is its viewpoints. From high cliffs you look down onto water, forest, and coast. The Belvedere at Monte Conero offers sweeping views across the Adriatic, while other spots like the Belvedere Sud and Pasetto reveal the full scale of this remarkable landscape.
Beyond its natural beauty, the Riviera del Conero holds a rich historical and cultural heritage. Medieval villages, ancient churches, and maritime traditions link the past to the present. The inland hills echo with stories of fishermen, poets, and farmers whose lives shaped this unique corner of Italy.
For outdoor enthusiasts, the Riviera is a natural playground. Hiking trails wind through the park, kayaking and paddleboarding explore calm coves, and mountain bike routes trace the cliffs. Every path offers discovery, from wild herbs underfoot to breathtaking sea views.
Beneath the waves lies another world, rocky seabeds, seagrass meadows, and schools of fish thriving in the clear, unpolluted waters. Snorkeling here reveals the vibrant life beneath the surface and the delicate balance of this coastal ecosystem.
The local cuisine captures the essence of the sea and the land. Fresh fish, olives, local olive oil, and Rosso Conero wine accompany traditional dishes like brodetto, the regional fish stew. Seaside trattorias offer simple, authentic flavors that complete the coastal experience.
Vineyards and olive groves climb the slopes, producing wines and oils that reflect the region's microclimate and history. The Rosso Conero, in particular, is the pride of the area, a deep, full-bodied red with notes of cherry and spice.
Throughout the year, the Riviera del Conero changes its mood. Summer brings vibrant energy, spring and autumn, softer light and quiet charm. At sunrise, the sea and sky glow with shades of violet and gold, and later in the morning, the water turns to shimmering silver.
The cliffs of Monte Conero are not only stunning but geologically fascinating. Layers of limestone and marl reveal millions of years of the Earth's history, forming patterns that tell ancient marine stories. The interplay of sunlight on rock and sea creates a living artwork that changes with every hour.
These same limestone and marl layers continue across the Adriatic, forming the rugged Dalmatian coast of Croatia. During the Mesozoic and Cenozoic eras, both shores were part of a single marine basin. Today, this shared origin explains the geological resemblance between the Riviera del Conero and Dalmatia's islands, two coasts united by deep time and the same stone.
Beyond the main attractions, countless hidden coves, inland hamlets, and peaceful viewpoints await. These lesser-known corners reward the curious traveler looking for serenity and authenticity.
Much of the coast lies within a protected area. Visitors are encouraged to stay on marked trails, respect the environment, and support local businesses. Preserving the wild beauty of the Riviera del Conero ensures that it will remain unspoiled for generations to come.
Thank you for joining this journey along the Riviera del Conero. Discover, explore, and experience its natural beauty and culture for yourself. Which part of the Riviera would you most like to visit? Until next time, keep exploring off the beaten path.